Hello, hi, good morning, everybody. Hope you all can hear me. Just give me 1 minute. Let me share the screen. Just 1 minute, guys. I'll unmute you as well. Sorry, today it got delayed little bit because of the previous class. Just 1 minute.
Good morning.
Good morning. Right. So everybody is comfortable now? Settled?
Yes,
GL
sir.
creation, posting and all? Yeah. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, what is the T code to create a GL, guys?
FS
FS
double
00.
double zero.
FS00, no? To do post a transaction?
FB50.
P50
To display the document?
FB03.
FB03.
FP03, no?
Yes.
Correct. To see the balance of an account?
FS10N.
FS10.
Line item display?
FBL3N.
Okay, what is the posting key? What is its importance, guys? What is the use of the posting key? Posting key. What is 40?
40 debit.
Debit GL.
Yes.
Debit GL. Na? I told you there are other posting keys also, right? If it is 40, what does it mean? You are debiting the GL. Na? Yeah, if it is 50,
GL.
credit GL, right?
Credit.
Correct. Okay. Yeah. So this is a posting key helps us to what? Identify the type of account that is being posted and whether it is being debited or credited. Yeah, this is an interview question, no? So you should be ready. What is a posting key? What is its importance? What does it do?
Posting help us identify type of account and whether it is debited or credited.
Correct? Correct. Suppose if I say here, it's 40. 40 means you know that this is a, what is it? This
Debit.
account is a, what type of
Customer
account?
account and debiting.
No. If I give 40 here, what is this account?
What is
It's a
GL.
debit GL account.
It's a GL account, no?
Yes.
Yeah, this account is a GL account. If it is 25,
It's a debit vendor account.
debit vendor
it's a
account?
vendor account, no? Same number, but it could be vendor. You understand? If it is 01,
Customer.
Debit customer account.
customer. If it is 70,
Fixed asset.
it's a
Debit
asset.
fixed
It's a
assets.
fixed asset account.
Got it? So you joined in a company. Understand? You joined in some random company. You joined. There you are seeing like this 01. Some number is there like this. Huh? Okay. What do you understand now? This number, what is this number?
Debit customer account.
Customer.
This is a customer, first of all. This number is a customer guy, na? And we are debiting that customer. Nobody needs to tell you. You know that this is a customer account, correct? That is the advantage. Okay?
Yeah.
So that's what is, it will give you a lot of information, this posting key. Okay, next we are talking about field status variant. What is the use of the field status variant, guys? What is the use? What does it do? Remember, field status. Field status variant
Controls. It helps to control the data.
controls the statuses of the fields at the time of posting of the data, at the time of postings. Okay, note down this. So there are how many statuses are there, guys? Total?
Three
Three
status.
statuses. Okay. Rahmatullah, you completed the practice. Your backlog is clear now. You did something about it. Rahmatullah, I think, is it there?
I completed my sir. This Deepak.
All right, good, good, good. Yeah. Rahmatullah Khan, you're there, Rahmatullah? Okay. Now, field status variant controls the status of the field at the time of post.
Posting.
So, what it is? So, basically, required optional suppress. Now, we will say like this: required. Required means what? If you select required, what does it mean?
It is
Mandatory.
mandatory to
Mandate.
post.
Mandatory for the user to enter the data, right? If it is optional,
He may or may not
May
enter.
or may not.
May or may
optional,
not.
he may enter, may not enter, both are okay. Na? If it is suppress,
You
You
cannot
can't.
enter.
Don't enter.
he cannot.
No
Even
need.
if he wants to enter,
Yeah.
also will say no, we don't want it. Na?
No.
So suppress, optional, required. 3 statuses are there. Oh. Okay. So now further, I am going little bit deeper now. Field status variant contains field status groups. Okay. Right. Field status groups. Status groups. Group is given in the GL master record. Yeah. According to the type of the GL. According to the type of GL. Okay. Let us write one more sentence. Type of GL account that is created. Relevant field status group is assigned. Correct. So if it is a general account, we give general group. Agree? You know this already. Which group? G001. If it is a bank account, what we do? We give bank related group. No? What is the bank related group? G005. If it is a material account, if it is a material related, what we do? We give material group. Correct? Na? What is the group? It is G006 or something. We give, na? Remember? We have not created any such because we have not done any material as such. No. So go to FS00. I will show you. So what is our company code?
APL.
ZAPL. Yeah, ZAPL. And if you go there and inside this, you can see here we are giving the group, no, this one. So here, if you go, we have many groups are material.
Yeah.
Got it? Accordingly, see what happens is, so the point we need to understand is, okay, let me explain you further. Let us understand further. Okay. Fields will be same in all the field status groups, but their statuses will differ according to the GL account for which they are used. Fields will be same, but statuses will be differing. Okay, note down this. I will explain. Okay. Fields will be same in all the field status group, but their statuses will differ according to the GL account for which they are used. Okay, so what I want to show you is, if I go to field status, what is the T code to go to field status variant? Field status variant.
OBC4.
OBC4, good. OBC4, you go. So now what is our variant name we created for ZAPL? What is the variant we created for our ZAPL? ZAFS, good. ZAFS, correct. If I go to my ZAFS, how I created ZAFS? I copied, na? I copied 0001, right?
Yes.
So if you go to ZAFS and you click on the field status groups, and if you click on this, you see now G001 is there, na? In that, all these subgroups are there. General data, you see, fields, assignment, text, these fields are there, na? Yeah. Fields are there. Same fields I will have in other group also. G005 also same fields. You understand? Got it? Yeah.
Yes.
So the fields that are there in all the groups will be same. But what is the difference between G005 and G001? What is the difference? Statuses will be different. So in G001, if I go to additional account assignment, or if I go to payment transactions, you can see value date. Value date. What is value date here?
Optional.
Optional. In G001, it is
Optional.
Okay, now if I go to G005, if I go to payment transactions, value date, what is value date here?
Required.
Understand? So fields are same, no? Can you see?
Yeah.
Fields will be same, but what is it? Statuses will differ according to the account we are using, no? Got it? That is the difference. So here, suppose you understand now, check number is there. Suppose there is a check number. You know, the check number? CHEQUE, check, or check number will be there, na? Check number that you use for the banks, right? So check number, do I need for bank accounts? Do I need check number? When I'm talking about bank account, check number becomes important, na? Agree?
Yes.
Yeah. So it will, I will put required for required. In which one? In G005, na? Understand? Yeah. But same check number, what I will put, suppose if it is for share capital account, share capital, why do I need check number? Understand? Do I need? I don't need. What I will put? Suppress, I don't need. No? In where? In G001. Got it?
Yeah.
Clear, everybody?
No.
So the field is same. Here also check number field is there. Here also check number field is there. But what is the difference? So in this
The
group,
account.
in this group it is required. In this group it is
Not
not.
required.
Is that clear? So that's why we are choosing the group accordingly. Whenever I am creating the bank account, I will give G005 so that it will ask the check number. When I am using share capital, it will not ask, suppress. Even if it's giving also, it will say, I don't want, no? You got it? Okay, so field status variant contains what? Variant contains field status groups. In all the field status groups, fields will be same. But what is the difference? Their statuses will differ according to the GL account for which we are using. Right. This is all concept, guys. In the interview, they may check your concept. No? They will not give you a laptop and say, come on, do the 21 steps. No, no, they don't do that. They will check your concept. Correct? So they will ask you what is a posting key, what is a field status, how it will, what are the things are there in the variant, how it will differ from account to account line.
I have a question, sir.
Yes.
So I open the bank account, I open it at G001 in the GL account. So should I be changing to G005?
Yes, you have to. If you give G001 to bank account, what will happen? If I give G001 group to bank account, what will happen? General fields will apply to bank. Na? So it's wrong, right? System will not stop you. But the data that you have to take, you will take wrongly. Na? Whatever required you want for bank account, you will not get it. Unnecessary data that you don't want for bank account, you will get it. You understand the point? So for bank account, what should be the group? It should be G005 only. Correct?
Okay.
Correct. Now, system doesn't know anything. System will not stop you. But if you give wrong, what will happen? Wrong data will be coming into your GLs. Correct? Any other question? Yes.
So there is another code G009 for bank account. So which one should, what is the difference?
See, here itself, in the name itself, it will tell you.
Yeah, obligatory value date and no, I guess no obligatory.
So the value date, okay. See here, when you go FS / and FS 00, when I go to any account, you can see G005, it is saying obligatory value date means value date required here. Which field is required here? Value date is required. Obligatory means kind of required, yeah? So here, if you see G009, obligatory due date. So which field is required here? Here it is value date. Here which field is required here?
Due date.
That is the difference. So certain accounts where due date is required, we will select this.
Okay.
Is it clear? Good. But for now, we are selecting G005.
Also for the sales account, because we created income sales account, can we select G029, the revenue accounts?
Oh, no. So now, right now for expenses, we are not selecting this, no, cost accounts.
No.
This will come in the controlling. Once you start controlling module, at that time we will use, not now.
Okay.
Yeah. So controlling means you have to take the data into controlling module. At that time, this kind of definitions will apply. So right now we are keeping in general. Going forward, when we have controlling module, at that time I will make them as cost or revenue. Not now.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Good. Any other questions? So field status variant contains what? What will be there in the field status variant?
Field status groups.
Groups will be there. In the field status groups, fields will be same or different?
It will be
Fields will be
Fields.
fields will be same.
What will be difference then?
the status.
Groups are different.
The status
Fields will be same,
Status are
will be
different.
Got it? Depending
Yeah.
upon the account for, that's why the names are there, na, clearly it is telling, na, G005 should be used for bank accounts. G006 should be used for material accounts. 7 should be used for asset accounts. 8, like that, they have clearly defined them. Got it? Good. Okay, so that was about the field status variants. Yeah. Okay, now. So field status variant contains field status groups. So each depending upon the account we are using, we are selecting. Okay. Any questions further here on the field status variant?
No.
Okay. Now one more thing, why I am discussing this is in the posting keys also, right? Posting key. So if you go to posting key, all posting keys you can see in OB41. Okay, where you can see all posting keys. Okay, there are many posting keys. Okay, so go to OB41. You see all posting keys. What is 40 here? 40. What is 40?
GL.
Debit GL.
Debit GL.
Debit
What
GL,
is 50?
credit GL,
What is 25?
debit vendor,
31?
credit vendor.
Like this. Is it clear? So now if I click on the 40, if I click on the 40, it will tell you, okay, this is a debit entry. Okay, debit entry. For what I will use account type? GL. Correct, you see? Which account type I am using? GL. So reverse, if I reverse, what will be there? Credit 50.
Mhm.
Correct, agree?
Yep.
Okay, so 40 is what? 40 is a what type of entry it is? Debit entry, and it is relevant to GL. And reverse is 50. So if I go to 50, this is a credit entry, credit, and it's a GL. And reverse entry is 40.
40.
Is that clear? Okay, so now here there is one more thing here. This is the connection between your posting key and field status. Again, here also field status is coming. You see on the top. Can you see?
Yeah.
So here when I go to 40, when I open, I have maintained field status here. What is
Mhm.
field status doing in the posting key? You understand the point? Okay, we will discuss. So I'm going little bit deeper. You are all comfortable?
Mhm.
So this is where the posting keys and field status, they connect. Okay. So my requirement is, see, why this thing will come is, suppose my requirement is like this. I'm using a bank account. Okay. I'm using a bank account. Which group I will use? Which is field status group I will use?
G005.
G005.
What?
But understand my requirement is when I debit bank account, I want some field, text is required. When I credit this account, credit a bank account, I don't want it. Text suppress. You understand?
Yeah.
You got the point?
Yeah.
So now how do I meet it? See, here I am giving at the GL account level. Na? So here, suppose if I put here required, what will happen? If I put a text as required here, what will happen? What will happen? It will apply for both debit and credit, no? You understand the point?
Mhm.
But I want the debit required, credit suppress. You understand the point?
Yeah.
So when I'm debiting the account only, I want required. When I'm crediting, I don't want it. But here, if I put required, it will apply both sides, no?
Yeah.
You got the point? That. So So that's where the posting key will come into picture. So it will work in combination here. It will work in combination. Correct? Posting keys and field status group, they will work together to decide the status. Is that clear? So when I am debiting, okay, both of them will decide what to do. When I am crediting, both of them will decide what to do. Is that clear? Okay. Now understand, correct now? So posting keys, if I go here, you see, when I go here, when I click on this, here also field statuses are there, you see. Can you see? Here also they are there, na? Same, na? Same fields, right? See, I'm in OBC4 or OB41?
OB41.
From here also I'm controlling, na? You see this? 40 posting key. See? From here also we can control the statuses of the fields. Correct? So if I put required here, for debit entry it will be required. For 50, if I put suppress, it will suppress for 50 entry. Is that clear? Exactly, correct. Yes. Yes, exactly. Everything is the same, na? As per our requirement only, as per the client requirement. So whatever we have done till now is not for us, na? Everything is for them only. Correct? So you are able to understand, not understand, or is it is it too much for you at this time? You are okay?
No, sir. Got it.
Clear? Okay. So then what will happen now? So now let us see what will happen. So two people are there. So one we are controlling from OBC4, one we are controlling from posting key as well, na? Okay. Now the problem is, so now suppose there is, let us see, this is my OBC4. Okay, you know OBC4, field status variant, na? Okay, in the variant, what it is saying? Okay, in the field status group also you can see. Okay, in field status group, what it is saying. And opposite, my posting key, what it is. Okay, suppose my posting key is saying like this, okay? My field status group says it is required. One field is there, it is required. Okay, my posting key says that is also required. Both are saying same. Correct? Okay, then what is the result, guys? Finally, what they will decide? What will be the result? How it will work? Huh? Come on.
It will be required.
Required. Correct?
Yeah.
No? Got it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
See, there are two managers now, na? Two people, na? It's not controlled by one, na? Controlled by both. Field status group is also there, posting key is also there. So at the time of posting, both are applicable, right? Okay, together they will decide. You understand? Yeah, clear? Yeah.
Yeah.
So see, think like, I'm coming. So think that this is husband and this is wife. Husband says required, wife also says required. What they will do? Required, perfect, na? Happy family. Now he says required. Wife says optional. Then what they will decide, guys, as a couple? What do you think? Husband says I want it.
Optional.
Wife says optional. Anything is okay for me. What they will do
Required.
together?
Required.
Exactly, required. One guy is pushing
Required.
for it, na? One guy is pushing. One guy says, if it's okay for me, anything okay. So they decide, na? Husband says, I will go to the party. I want to go to the party. Wife says, don't go. Go also okay for me. Then come with me, na? You understand the point? Good. Okay, now tell me next. Here comes the problem. Required, suppress. Oh, then?
Required.
No, ma, required now they will, it's a serious thing, na? He says, I don't want it. Here I want it. So then this will not allow. This situation will not come. System will not permit this. It will throw error. You understand the point? Correct, na? Yeah. So it will go for divorce, no ma. One guy says required, one guy says no, I will die if you give me. Suppress, na, I don't want it. So then what will happen? Na? Error. Is it clear? Good. Okay, now tell me next one. Next one. This husband says optional, na? Oh, this guy says optional. Then this here it is required. Then what will happen? Required. Correct. Perfect. Next. Here it is optional. Then here also optional. Then
Optional.
super couple, super family, na? They are happy with anything. Both are happy, guys. Next one, optional. He says optional. This guy says suppress. I don't want it. If you give me, I will vomit it. Then what they do? Suppress. Yes, perfect. You got the logic now. Yes. Yeah. Good. Next, tell me. Next, suppress. Suppress and required. Then this is the real problem. Come on.
Again,
Error.
sorry, suppress. Error.
Got the point. Nah? He says, I don't want it. I really hate it. She says, no, I want it at any cost. Then what they will do? They will go and file, na? Thank you. You go your way, I go my way, na? Error. Finish. Good. Next. What is this one? Suppress. Then
Optional.
suppress optional. Then what will work?
Press.
What will work? Exactly. You got the logic. Suppress. Then this one. Suppress.
Suppress.
Both are negative. Both are negative characters here. They will go for negative only, obviously. Yes. Got it? You understand, na? That is how it will. Together they decide what to do with it. Okay, no. Okay, noted. So one more line I want to add here regarding posting keys. Posting keys, what they do? They control the statuses of the one more thing here. Right? So first, what they will do, they will help us to identify the type of account that is being posted. Second, whether it is being debited or credited, that also I know. Third, posting keys also control the statuses of the fields at the time of posting. No, add this one more line. Then he will ask you how field status should be controlled from field status variant. Then how these both things will work, correct? Okay. So these are the main ones, guys. If you take your enterprise structure, fiscal year, we already discussed, Posting variant is something like, that will control the timeline. Open and close will be there, where you can open one period, close one period. Okay. Then we talked about field status. Yeah. Chart of accounts. Like that, no? Okay. Okay. So now suppose if he is asking posting period variant. Okay. What is a posting period variant? What is its use? What is a posting period variant and what is its use? Can you tell me? What it does, guys?
Control the
Hmm.
statuses of the field
No,
and
no, no,
helps
no,
to
no. This is not statuses. This is
What?
not field status, na? I am
Oh,
talking
sorry.
about
Okay.
Controls the posting.
Period entry.
which one? Step number, what it is? Step number 7.
Yes.
7, na?
Timings.
Time period. It controls the time period.
The period. To control the
Timings.
period.
When the user can enter the data. What is it use? Why? What is the purpose behind it? What is it? What it will do? It will accounts will be up to date, na? As a result of this. We are forcing the end user to complete the entries on time. Correct? Yeah. Okay, note on posting period variant. Controls the time period. Time period when the entries can be posted by the end user. If the period is open, user can post only in those periods which are open. If the period is not open, user cannot post to in that period. Correct? In finance, at a time, only one period will be open. Every period end, a new period will be opened and old period will be closed. Correct? This is called as open and close periods. Open and close period. Open and close period done in T code. Background noise done in T code. OB50. Okay. Not. Posting period variant helps us to keep the accounts up to date. User as the user has to complete the accounting entries accounting entries for the period before the period closes. So whatever I've typed out these 4-5 lines, everybody is able to understand what I am typing. I think people are seriously writing. Okay, done, noted, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have open and close here, and then we will control like that, right? Okay. If the entries are not completed or not if the posting of entries has not been completed for the period, then grace days can be given for a short duration to facilitate posting of accounting entries. And period can be closed after the grace period. Okay, next one. What is fiscal year variant, and what is its importance? Variant and what is its use? What it contains? What is its use? Okay, what it does, guys? Fiscal year, we have done so much. Tell me what it does.
It
What does it
defines, it tells which fiscal year the company is following.
Fiscal year variant. Variant defines when the financial year will start and when it will end. Correct? When the financial year. Okay. Okay. Different countries may follow different fiscal years. A fiscal year variant can be created for each required fiscal financial year for a country in which we operate. If you don't operate, we don't need, no? Yeah. And can be assigned at the company code. CO date company code level. Fiscal year variant further defines the number of periods in the fiscal year and the number of days in each period. Okay. So what is the maximum length of a GL account, guys? What is the maximum?
10.
Maximum, yeah. Maximum length is
10.
correct. 10 digits. But can we create with 6 digits?
Yeah.
Yes.
Make it.
We did with
Up to 10.
Up to 10 we can do, but we can
Yeah.
create it 4, 5, 6, anything. No? Correct. We created with how many digits?
6.
6 digits, correct. 6 digits. Okay, so how many groups we have created? How many groups we created under our chart of accounts?
4 groups.
4 groups. What are they?
Assets,
Liabilities, assets,
revenue,
income,
Liabilities,
income and
expenses.
expense.
income,
Liabilities, which
expense,
series we are
assets.
following?
One,
One series.
One series. No? Assets,
Two.
two
Two.
series. Incomes,
three,
three series. Expenses,
four.
four series. Correct. Okay, all of them are 6 digits. Correct, na? What is the T code to see the global data of the company?
OBY6.
OBY6, correct. What is the T code to create a chart of account?
FS00.
OB13.
Chart of-
OBC4. OBC4.
No. Chart of account.
13.
Chart of accounts. OB13.
30.
OB13.
Correct. To open and close the period?
OB50.
OB52.
52.
To create a field status variant?
OBC4.
PC4.
OBC. Slowly you will get them. See, you don't have to write and list and by heart. So daily when you do, you will. So what is the T code to post a GL transaction?
FB50.
OB50.
FB50.
FB50, no? To create a GL,
FS00.
L00.
to
FS
display
00.
the document,
FB03.
to see the balance of an account,
FS10.
FS10 and
10 and line item display,
FBL3.
FBL3N.
correct? Okay. So now, okay, so I think we have created a maximum we have. So what is the posting key to debit a GL?
40.
For
40.
credit a GL?
40.
50. Correct? Yeah. So most of the things we covered. So next we have to talk about how to post. Now we are able to post the transactions. Next we have to discuss how to make it faster. I want to make it faster. Correct? I want to post 100 transactions per minute. How? But how to make it faster? You are able to post in FB50, fine. But I want to make it little faster. I want to make it easier. I want to make it faster and easier. I don't want to work hard, basically. You understand the point? So that I will discuss tomorrow, okay? So the concept of reference document, that is to make it fast postings, what I do. Okay? So next topic is, what is the next topic? Reference documents. Right? Reference document. This topic we will discuss.
Avantika Vetina.
Okay?
How?
Okay, background noise. Right. So okay guys, so we'll meet tomorrow guys. Yeah? Thank you then. Thank you all of you. Thank you.
thank you. Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.